Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the source type and locking down the file path so access can reach it. Once done, close the source to avoid read conflicts and confirm you have permissions. Open your target access database and choose External Data, then New Data Source, then from File. This starts the link process. You do this because linking reads live data instead of copying. That keeps updates in sync and avoids duplicate maintenance across databases. You now pick Link to the data source, not Import, to maintain live connectivity. Then select the exact sheet or table and tell Access which field acts as the primary key so relationships behave correctly. Make sure field types align, text versus number, or Access will prompt conversions. If names clash, rename on the Access side. Use sensible prefixes. This mapping prevents broken joins and keeps queries reliable across both systems as data. Finish by opening the linked table or running a simple select to confirm rows appear and relationships hold. Once done, save any query or relationship changes. Make sure to use Link Table Manager to refresh links when the source schema changes. If you get errors, first check the file path and user permissions. Also verify matching data types and primary key presence. Mismatches are the most common cause of failure, so correct those and refresh the link to resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.